This summer, SSIS has been transformed, ready to welcome a vibrant new school year with fresh energy and excitement. The theater has undergone a complete transformation, featuring advanced acoustics, lighting, and stage technology, all meeting the highest standards for safety and performance. Following last year's successful upgrade of the elementary gym floor, the secondary gymnasium has also received a complete floor revamp this year. The Foyer Renovation has integrated cultural elements of Suzhou Gardens, blending local heritage with a global campus spirit. The swimming pool area has been enhanced with a cohesive visual design, including a leisure area and a space to showcase athletes' achievements. Elementary classrooms now feature new windows, allowing more natural light to brighten the spacious interiors. Additional upgrades include renovated restrooms, enhanced corridor ceilings, and updated seating areas, along with waterproofing repairs. Every detail is designed to make daily life on campus more comfortable and enjoyable. SSIS is excited to welcome students and parents back to the campus. We are looking forward to see you soon.